You are watching English Grammar with Neelam Sasani. In my last session, I had told you all about parts of a sentence. Okay. Today we are going to see kinds of sentences. Okay. So let's see kinds of sentences. Now there are four kinds of sentences. First, assertive sentence or declarative sentence. Assertive, or it is also called declarative sentences. To assert means to declare. Okay, so first type is assertive or declarative sentence. Second, we have interrogative sentence. Second, we have interrogative sentence. Third type is imperative sentence. And fourth one we have exclamatory sentence. Okay, so there are four types of sentences. First, we have assertive or declarative sentence. Second, interrogative sentence. Third, imperative sentence. And fourth, exclamatory sentence. So now we are going to see each of them one by one. First, let's see what is meant by assertive sentence. Assertive sentence. Let's take an example. Our school starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Let's take an example. Our school starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. Just see the sentence. This sentence is giving us some information. It is stating something. It is telling us something. Okay. So, assertive means to declare. Okay. So, to assert means to declare. So, first type is assertive or declarative sentence. So, the sentence which states something, which declares something is called as an assertive sentence. Let's take one more example. I do not like ice cream. So, the second example we have taken, I do not like ice cream. This sentence is also stating something. It is telling us something. Okay. So these two examples are of assertive or declarative sentence because these two sentences tell us something. They give us some information. They state something. Okay. So they are called as assertive sentences. Now, assertive sentences are of two types. Now let's see what are those two types. Now, assertive sentences are of two types. First one, affirmative sentence, and second one, negative sentence. So, assertive sentence are of two types. First, affirmative sentence and second, negative sentence. Now, let's see what is affirmative sentence. Let's take example. The child was very happy. Now we are talking about affirmative sentence. Now let's see. The child was very happy. Why to call this sentence as affirmative? Okay. Now I'll tell you one thing. The sentence which does not have any negative word. Now let's see. The sentence which does not have any negative word. Now what do you mean by negative word? Words like no, okay, not, then never, then nothing. One more is there? Nobody. So the sentence which does not have any negative word like no, not, never, nothing, nobody. All these are called as negative words. Why they are called as negative words? Because they denote or they present a negative idea. Okay. So when these words are not present in the sentence is called as affirmative sentence or positive sentence. Okay. So now just see the sentence. The child was very happy. It is not having any negative word. Okay. So it is an affirmative sentence. Got it? So the sentence which is not having any negative word is an affirmative sentence. Got it? Now let's see negative sentence. Negative sentence example. I cannot live here. I cannot live here. Now in this sentence, we are having negative word not. This negative word not, it is showing a negative idea. Okay, that I do not want to live here. I cannot live here. Okay, so it is showing us some negative thing. It is denoting negative idea. So a sentence which has any negative word like no, not, nothing, never, it is called as a negative sentence. Okay, let's take one more example. There was no fun in going out. Okay. Now in this sentence, there was no fun in going out. So which is the negative word here? No. No is the negative word. Okay. So this sentence has got a negative word. So it is a negative sentence. Okay. Got it? So assertive or declarative sentences are of two types. Affirmative sentence and negative sentence. Okay. So a sentence which is not having any negative word is an affirmative sentence, and a sentence which has got negative words is a negative sentence. Got it? Okay. So few examples for you to do it, for you to find out whether the sentence is affirmative or negative. I'll give you some examples. First one. Oysters do not live on land. The first sentence is oysters do not live on land. You have to find out whether it is an affirmative sentence or a negative sentence. Second one. I have not heard the Nightingale. Third one, nobody is willing to play. Nobody is willing to play. Fourth one, large hunting grounds were created. And the last example, I got up early in the morning. Okay, so 5 sentences I have given you all. You have to find out whether these sentences are affirmative or whether they are negative. First one, oysters do not live on land. Second one, I have not heard of the Nightingale. Third, nobody is willing to play. Fourth, large hunting grounds were created. And fifth one, I got up early in the morning. You have to find out whether they are affirmative sentence or whether they are negative sentence. So remember the negative words. Okay. So you have to know the negative words to find out whether they are affirmative or negative. Okay. So I hope you have understood what is meant by affirmative sentences. Okay. So if you have any query, any question, you can write to me in the comment. Okay. Have a nice day. Subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.